What is up, guys? You already know it's iCloud_Lethal YT, right? And I'm back here, right? Man, we back here. Man, we is back here with another video, man. Alright, so look, today I'm gonna be pranking my cousin, right? So he's in the master bedroom, normally where I sleep at my granny's house, which I don't know why she don't like the master bedroom, but anyway, that don't matter. Okay, so he's sound asleep in there, right? Now I'm sleeping on the couch, bro. He's a visitor, you know, gotta be respectful. Gotta let the visitors, man, the family members, they gotta sleep well, right? So it's currently 11:30 when I took this video. Probably upload it tomorrow around, I don't know, whenever I wake up. But anyways, guys, we're gonna be doing a prank video today for y'all. First ever prank video on the channel. Alright, look, if y'all new, y'all gotta subscribe, right? Just do me a favor. Subscribe. Alright, look, subscribe in 5 seconds. If you don't, you'll step on a Lego. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, look. If y'all don't subscribe, y'all just step on a Lego. If not, something else worse is gonna come. Now, but anyways, let's reach 30 likes on this video, right? Make sure that y'all watch to the end. But anyways, we're gonna get started with this tornado prank. I'm gonna have the videos on the, I'm done. I'm gonna have my phone, which is the camera that I'm using, set up on like a station. Like, not like a table, right? Like a tall ass table. Then get a printer. Correct. And then like the siren of the tornado siren is gonna be next to the phone playing where he's gonna be able to hear it. And like I'm gonna lay down in bed and I'm gonna wake him up like really fast, like, hey bro, there's a tornado siren, we gotta get in the closet, let's go. No, but anyway, we're gonna hop in this video. It's gonna be a banger for y'all. Let's get it. You gotta be quiet, so look at my dog. You too high? You too high? You too high? Yeah, get that back, boys. Now let's go. It's my little sister. Now, look, gotta open the door. He's actually asleep, bro. You gotta get him. You gotta get him. Yo, man. Wake up. There's a tornado siren.
I want to sleep.
Yo, there's a tornado siren. You hear it? Do you not hear it? There's a tornado.
Wait,
Come on. Come on. Hurry, go. Hurry.
I need a blanket.
No, forget it.
Where you going?
This man, he actually thought, bruh. He actually thought, bruh. It's a prank, bruh. Look at that. Pause. That's a pause, bruh. Look, bruh, the camera, it was set up right here, bruh. Right there, bruh. You actually fell for it. What you gotta say for yourself?
I'm tired, and can I get back to sleep now?
Go back to sleep, man. No, but anyways, bruh, that was a banger. That's what I think, bruh. Nah, that went out well. Perfectly how I thought. Alright, let's go back in the bathroom. I'm gonna let this nigga go back to sleep, bruh. Oh, just stepped on my dog's foot. Let's go, man. Let's get it, bruh. That plan, bruh. I wasn't expecting it to go well, bruh. No, but anyways, bruh, make sure y'all like this video. Get 30 likes on that bit, man. You already know. But anyways, guys, I had a fun ass time planning that video. Dude, I filmed that video, bro. It was fun, bro. There's times you get moving. It's like, stay still. No, anyways, guys, if y'all enjoy this video, make sure to like this video. Just like I said, 30 likes on it, man. I'm gonna give you another special video, maybe a part 2 of a prank video. I don't know yet, but anyways, guys, Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Do those last two if y'all new. But anyways, guys, I'm out and peace.